So we met a family who does cave climbing and mountain climbing, and they recommended us to go around the other side of the cliff from the last video, where the cliff is the opposite of us. So we actually climbed the mountain this time and no more hiking. It's not a hiking anymore, it's a climb. You can see if I have the nerve to stand up on this cliff slowly. Okay, you can see the lodge down there. That's where we park our car. You can see the lake over there, and that's where we came from. Crazy. No trail marker. Crazy. Now let's hope we can make our way back, because it's time to go back. It's time to go back. Yeah.